Hey guys, welcome back to Tracies So Cool Learnings. So I'm doing an unboxing today. I know it's a little different from what I normally do, but it is kind of still related to my trip, and I'm going to tell you why. So when I went on my trip, first and foremost, I ordered some one-of-a-kind pieces from Mental Raccoon Glass because I've wanted to for so long, and I finally found what I was looking for. Now I ordered two pieces, and one was for me and one was for my girlfriend. So my girlfriend did open the box when I was still in Calgary and took out her piece that she wanted, but I haven't seen the rest. I told her to take it. Now I do remember what I ordered, so I have a choice or an option of getting one of the two. I love them both, so it doesn't really matter. But I will try. You guys know I don't edit. I'll try to put a photo at the end of the video of the one that she kept, because she did send me a photo. I haven't looked at it yet. It's an unopened email, but she told me she was going to send me a picture. So I will have that for you guys, hopefully, if I can figure out how to attach it. Okay, so here we go. Now, if you guys haven't checked out Mental Raccoon Glass, his channel, his YouTube channel, please go check it out. It's absolutely amazing. I am absolutely mesmerized by his work, and I admire his ability to work with glass and fire in this manner and make these amazing pieces, you guys. So let's get into it, because I'm super excited. I have been waiting for a sunny day, and I was going to try to do this in the sunshine, but it's not going to work out, you guys. So you get what you get. So now this isn't like, there's more in the bag. Justin, are you giving your stuff away again? Because there should only be one thing in the bag, and there's not. There's more packages. Hang on here. What is this? You guys, do you hear those birds? Like, they're big. I don't know what they are. Maybe it's an eagle flying around out here. So Justin, of course, being so generous, he sent me, it's an eagle. He sent me more than I ordered, because you guys hear that? It's like right there. Because he's such a generous man. This is something. So this, I probably just got hand cream all over it. This is Mental Raccoon Glass's tag. Can you guys see that? And remember, he's doing this with just glass. There we go. See all the splatter in that? The detail? Just glass. It says MRG, Mental Raccoon Glass. Thank you so much, Justin. This is beautiful. I love it. And it's nice. I can carry it in my pocket for good luck. Okay, let's see what else is in here, because I know there's too much still in this bag. Okay. Now, and the packaging, you guys, his packaging is phenomenal. It's next level. There's no chance of anything getting hurt. I got a marble. Look at the detail. To hold one in my hand is kind of surreal. I've been watching you for so long now, Justin, and I've seen you make so many wonderful marbles. Okay, you guys, sorry. Okay, can you guys see the detail in this? But wait, the showstopper, look right inside there. Wait, maybe I got cream on it. Can you guys see right inside there? I wish the light here, maybe I'll move it this way. The light, into the light. Do you guys see that? That's amazing. I absolutely love this. Wow. And you can just stare in there for hours. It's like a bottomless pit of just beautiful colors and details and swirls. I hope you guys can see in there. Do you see that? That's amazing. Thank you so much, Justin. You gotta stop giving your stuff away. I appreciate it, though. I'm gonna hold this very dear to my heart. I remember when I first started watching you, I was in one of those moods, you know, and I was scrolling, just flick, flick, flick past people's lives, and I seen you sitting there with a torch, and, you know, it could be a bad thing. But I hunkered down, and I stayed for a while, and I listened to you, and I started talking to you, and you're such a kind gentleman, and I'm just so glad that I found your channel, because you're amazing. Okay, this is, again, not something that I ordered, but something that he has gifted me. And on every package, there's a sticker that says, thank you. Thank you for supporting my small business. Isn't that nice? And the packaging, again, is next level. Hang on here. Okay, so another thing Justin does, or Mental Raccoon does on his live streams, for YouTube content creators, is he makes tags, you guys. Channel tags. Oh, wow. This is an honor. Thank you so much. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this justice. See that? Tracy's Local Learnings. I'm going to move my hand. You guys see through the pattern there? And it's in my favorite color. It's blue. I'm not really doing it justice, though. See the red? Okay, the red's on the back. It's those beads to hold it. Look it. You see that? With glass and fire, he creates these pieces. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Justin, for sending this to me. You know, it's tough in today's economy to try to support those that you want to support. And I wish I could just order so much more for you. Your work is amazing. You're an amazing person, and I thank you so much. Now, I'm going to open what I got from my order, I hope. I hope there's no more in here. Okay, this is the last one, you guys. This is what I've been waiting for. Again, you know, a beautiful sticker saying thank you for supporting my small business. Excellent wrapping. It's inside one of these, then it's inside bubble wrap, and then it's inside another package on the inside. So let's get into this. So I don't know which one of the two I got, but I think I got the one that I really wanted. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Take off my glasses so I can see this better. Look at that, you guys. Sorry, I need to take a peek. The detail is amazing. So you guys know that I love medicinals, right? I love all medicinals, but one of the things I really love about my whole experience learning about medicinals is mushrooms, different fungus. They are amazing. They have properties that are just out of this world, and I have such a high appreciation for mushrooms that I went with a couple of mushroom pendants for me and my girlfriend. And this is mine. So the other one had a peace symbol on the bottom. Hang on here. I don't know if you guys can see this. See the beauty of it. Wait, let's turn it this way and see if that helps. Not really. There we go. Can you guys see the detail of it? The glass? I'm afraid you guys can't see it very well. How can I do this? Maybe I gotta go up to the sky. Look at that. You can't really see the swirls in the base of the mushroom though. The colors and the detail. You can see that? Isn't that beautiful? Wow, and I love the braided hemp. So I'm going to try this on. So I did get another gift on my road trip. Thank you very much, Justin. Oh, it's perfect, I can tell. See? It's perfect. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Isn't that stunning? It's so beautiful. I'm going to wear this proudly on a daily basis. So when I was on my road trip, I went and met another content creator, and she gave me this. And it's a handmade copper bracelet that she made. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I did show it before, but I absolutely love it, and I wear it all the time. Why I'm talking about that is because there's another content creator on YouTube. Sorry. Organic Silver Moon Design. Now, what's fascinating about all of this stuff is she's taking Justin, Mental Raccoon's glasses, marbles, and pendants, and she's wrapping them in copper. It's like, it's like the best of both worlds. So, Justin, I thank you so much for allowing us to watch you create all this stuff, for being so generous with my order and sending so many extra things. I will cherish them all. So yeah, I'm going to put links below to Mental Raccoon Glass. I'm going to put links below to Organic Silver Moon Design LLT, and I'm going to put links below to Jones Junk Journals and More, which is the creator that made me this bracelet. Now, she doesn't make bracelets on her channel or anything. This was a very special gift. But she also gave me a journal that she made, and I'm trying to find the video of it because I would love to watch her make it on her channel. So that's it for my unboxing today. I thank you guys so much for coming to hang out with me and enjoying the joy that I am receiving from ordering these wonderful one-of-a-kind pieces. And hang on, I'm going to give you one more look at this, at this marble, because it's mind-bending. And maybe I can get a better view in the sunshine. I just have to take my, let's take the camera to the sun. I hope you guys have a couple minutes to wait for this. Okay. Let's see if this works. I have to take my glasses off in order to see. No, it's not going to let me. Wait. Oh, there we go. Wait. Do you guys see that? Do you see inside there? Wow. Isn't that amazing? And the fact that he does it, look at that. The fact that he does it with just fire and glass and his creativity and his talent is amazing. And my necklace, maybe you guys can see that better up here. I'm not very good at it. And I don't want to take it off. Okay. Thanks for coming to hang out with me, guys. Hope you have a super fantastic day. I think it is Friday today, so happy Friday. I'm kind of bent over. I have been putting out some videos of my road trip that were on my phone, and I thought I lost them, but here's the thing, guys. My phone was out of storage, so until I paid for more storage, they wouldn't release my stuff back to me. So now I am getting some footage that might be confusing because I'm going to go from snow to desert conditions and green conditions and all over the place. But I hope you enjoy the content nevertheless. I was thrilled with everything I saw driving across British Columbia into Alberta and back again. So I hope you guys have a super fantastic weekend, and keep going and keep being amazing, Justin. And please go check out the links in the comment section below. Bye.